Cupboards are often overlooked, but they play a huge role in how a space feels. With the right decoration ideas, a simple cupboard can become a beautiful design feature. Start with color. Light shades make a room feel open and fresh, while darker tones add depth and elegance. If you want something playful, try two-tone cupboards or a soft pop of color inside the shelves. Next, focus on handles and knobs. Changing hardware is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your cupboard. Sleek metal handles give a modern look, while wooden or vintage styles add warmth and character. Lighting can completely transform your cupboard. LED. Strip lights inside or under shelves add a soft glow and make everything easier to find. It's functional, stylish, and instantly eye-catching. Open shelves or glass doors are perfect for displaying decor. Arrange books, plants, or neatly stacked dishes to create a balanced and organized look. Keep it simple to avoid clutter. Don't forget textures. Wooden finishes, matte surfaces, or subtle patterns can add personality without overwhelming the space. Even wallpaper or decals inside the cupboard can create a surprise detail. Organization is part of decoration too. Use baskets, dividers, and matching containers to keep things tidy and visually pleasing. Finally, make it personal. Add small decor items, framed prints, or plants that reflect your style. Because are well decorated. It's about turning everyday spaces into something beautiful and inspiring.